In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix access denied. You don't have permission to access on this server error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So click on the start button and go to settings. Then you have to click on network and internet on the left pane. Click on VPN. Make sure you are disconnected to any VPN from here. And then click on proxy. Make sure that the automatically detect settings this is enabled, but for the proxy server for the manual proxy setup, make sure this is turned off and click on save. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here you just have to select all of these options one by one for the files to delete and then click on OK and click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. So once done, we are going to also delete the browser cache. So open the browser and then you have to click on the three dots on the top right corner and then click on settings. Click on privacy and security on the left pane and click this option delete browsing data. Now for the time range, change that to all time and make sure all of these are selected for the default selections and then click on delete data and then close this and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.